everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today is just a as the description below says, giveaway rules and regulations. The reason I'm doing this, guys, is because the past couple of months people have been leaving comments and they've actually won, but unfortunately I can't see whether they're subscribed to me, and I think it's such a shame that you take the time to watch my video, giveaway videos, and you don't follow the rules and regulations, which with all content creators is that if you enter a giveaway you must be subscribed to the channel, you must leave a thumbs up, and you must be over 18, and you must leave a comment, obviously, otherwise you wouldn't be entered. And I'm aware there's quite a few people who are new to YouTube who don't know how to make their channel, who they're subscribed to, public. And when I go when I pick my winner from YouTube Random Org number generator, I always go to the to the person's channel, but I stop the video until I see that you are part of my channel, and if you're part of my channel then I show everybody that you are actually subscribed to my channel. I don't scroll through everybody who you're subscribed to. I did used to, but I don't do that anymore. And so I'm going to actually add a short video showing you how to make your subscribers, how to make your subscriber list public, which I feel that is it's only fair that you enter our giveaways, and not only mine but everybody else's that you enter, and unfortunately your name comes up, but because we can't see your chat, who you're subscribed to, if you're subscribed to me or whoever you are subscribed to, and we can't see it, it seems a shame that you dip out. Yes, there are rules and regulations, and in all my videos, my giveaway videos, the rules and regulations are in the description box, and they will be in the description box of this video as well. And I just thought it would help some of you, because when you come to YouTube for the first time and you enter giveaways and you've got a channel, maybe you're not a content creator yourself, and you don't particularly know how to make your subscribers public so we can see. And every content creator who gives giveaways are different. Some are worldwide, some are not, some are for their own countries only, which is the content creator's prerogative. But it's just a matter of etiquette, really, guys, and I hope this helps someone to enable them to ensure that their subscribers are public. And if ever you win one of my giveaways, I don't scroll through all your subscribers who you are subscribed to. I just go show them that I can see who you're, some of your subscribers, and then I turn the video off, and then once I've found myself I turn the video back on, and then I go from there. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to watch the end of the video, because at the end of the video, this video, is a little video showing you how to make your subscribers public. That's all from me for today. I hope this little information video was helpful to even one person. I'll be made up. So take care, guys. Stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, take care and be kind to you. Bye for now. Okay everybody, so what you need to do is you need to go to your YouTube channel, and in the top right hand corner is a little icon. You click on that and you go to settings. Then you go across to the left hand side and you click on privacy. Now here we've got two little sliders. So I know mine is where it says keep all my subscriptions private. I know mine is open because you can see my subscriptions. Yours will look like that and have a blue button. If it's blue, you need to slide it across to grey, so you've got a black button, and then it should be your subscribers then are not private anymore. So if I go back to my channel, and then if I go to channels, you can see there are all my just a few of my subscribers. So I hope that helps, guys. Take care, stay safe, and more importantly, be kind to you. Bye for now.